the final day of Love Bling On. I'm going to miss Mario. Well, he is leaving tomorrow. Well, I know that, but it's just too sad. I just can't do it. Whoa, Sonic, what's wrong? See, look. Me and Mario, he's been there for me every day, every time. But with Mario leaving, I just can't do the show anymore. What? So we're not doing the show anymore? I think we're quitting plush videos. No, Sonic, that's crazy talk. We're not quitting no plush videos. No. Here comes Mario. Hey guys, I'm finished packing. The plane flies off at 12 o'clock. And it's finished at 11:59. I mean, it's 11:50. 11:50. Okay, Mario. Got all your stuff? Yeah, I got all my stuff. Sonic? Yeah, Mario? I'm gonna miss you, bro. Mario. It's gonna be okay, Mario. It's gonna be okay. Goodbye, Luigi. Goodbye, bro. Goodbye, Shadow. Bye, man. Goodbye, Sonic. Bye. Goodbye, Domo. Bye. Goodbye, Bluebird. Goodbye, Turtles. Bye, Yoshi. Goodbye. I'll wake my brother out. It's okay, Luigi. It's okay. It's okay, Luigi. Redate the code in. Well, Mario, I guess this is spot. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mario. Bye, bro. Goodbye, bro. That's my brother. Your phone, the Hylian show phone. Hello? Luigi? Mario! Mario's here! Mario's on the phone! What do you say? What do you say? What? He's leaving right now, but he needs some stuff. He needs his shield back. Which shield? The phone shield! I'll try to do it. Boom! Mario!
So Louis has Facebook page now.
Mario? Mario! Here, go! Okay. So long, world! Whee!
Put some shorts on or something?
Mario's gone. my bad. Well, this video is gone. Next week, we're making a Christmas video. And that's when Mario season. Good. Wait until next week. This video is over. Hey guys, this is Sega Sonic Genesis 2012. And Mario left today. Mario's gone. Can't believe it's gone. Yeah. Well, it's not gonna be the same without Mario. But tomorrow, well, next week is gonna be a Christmas episode. Well, visiting Mario. So, yeah, for Christmas, we're gonna be doing some good stuff. And yeah, this video is over. Bye.